Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a little boy named Timmy. Timmy was known for his adventurous spirit and his love for the wild. One day, while exploring the forest, he stumbled upon a magical tree. The tree was unlike any other. It had leaves that shimmered like gold, and branches that reached up to the sky. As Timmy approached, he saw a small door at the base of the tree. He knew he had to explore. With a big smile on his face, Timmy opened the door and stepped inside. To his surprise, he found himself in a room filled with beautiful, colorful creatures. But the most fascinating of all was a tiger with stripes as bright as the sun. "Hello, little friend," said the tiger. "I've been waiting for you." "You've been waiting for me?" asked Timmy, surprised. "Why?" "I have a quest for you," the tiger replied. "I've lost a precious gem, and I need your help to find it." Timmy agreed to help, and the tiger showed him a map. Together, they set off on an adventure, crossing rivers, climbing mountains, and navigating through dense forests. Along the way, they met helpful creatures who offered guidance and support. Finally, they reached a cave, where the tiger found the missing gem. Timmy was amazed by its beauty, but the tiger was overjoyed. "Thank you, Timmy," the tiger said. "You've shown me that even small beings can make a big difference. Now, it's time for you to return home." With a heavy heart, Timmy said goodbye to his new friend and made his way back to his village. He couldn't help but think about the wonderful adventure he had just experienced. That night, as Timmy lay in bed, he dreamt of the magical tiger and the adventures they shared. He knew that no matter where he went, he would always remember the day he helped a tiger and learned the power of kindness. The end.